Good morning students, I hope you all will be good at your home. We will today start our topic basic geometrical concepts. Before starting this topic, I just want to ask some questions. I want to tell you here, if in a plane we want to show any position of anyone, suppose you are sitting on this place in a ground, it is a ground and you are sitting on this place, then to show your position we will use a point like this or this, any one of you are sitting here, then we will use to show the position like point A, point B, point C, D, E, F, like this. So what is the point? We will get here the point. What is point? A point is a exact position. A point is an exact position it is a point, and if we want to present it, we can take capital letters of English alphabet like capital A, capital B to show the points. If what happens if we join some points in a plane, then it form a line. It is a line. We can give the name to the line AB. Now we will know the properties of the line. What are the properties of the line here? What is the properties of this line? First of all, a line goes endlessly to the both direction. To the both direction. So a line has no end point. Here a line has no end point, and it is impossible. It is impossible to draw a line on a paper. Because it goes endlessly in the both directions, so it does not have definite length. It is clear about the line. We will now revise once more. What is line? A line goes endlessly to the both direction, and it is impossible to draw a line on a paper. It does not have definite length. It has two end points. It is about the line. And what will happen if we will take a small part of the line? let's see, if we will take a small part of the line, if we will take a small part of the line, then this is called a line segment. This is called a line segment. Now we will know the properties of line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. It is a definite length. It is a definite length. So we can draw it on a paper. We can draw it on a paper. It is about the line segment. It is different from the line because line goes endlessly to the upward direction, and a line segment, it is a definite length. It have a definite measurement, just like 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, just like. Now we will know about the ray. A ray is also a indefinite length. It goes endlessly but only in one direction. In one direction. It goes endlessly but only in one direction. So it has one endpoint. One endpoint. Now the way how to represent the ray. Suppose we have a ray AB. AB. Then we will represent it just like ray AB. If we have a line segment PQ, then it has two endpoints and we will represent it PQ and the line XY. It will be represented like this. Array XY, line segment PQ, ray AB. Okay. Now we will know if we have one point. Suppose we have one point in a plane how many lines can be drawn from this point? So our answer is we can draw infinite lines from this point. And this is an interesting thing. If we have 2 points, how many lines can we draw from the 2 points? We can draw only one line. We can only draw one line from 2 points. And suppose if some points are in a straight line, what are called these points? These points are called collinear points. And if these points are in a zigzag way, then what are these points called? Then these points are called like this: point A, point B, C, D, E. These points are not in a straight line. Then these points are called non-collinear points.